everybody. Okay, oh, I have my book. Where did I put my book? Oh, this is pretty funny. Oh, here it is. Okay, we're gonna do more of lesson 4. I look on the syllabus. We should be, let's see, I'm not sure. Here's page 1. Sorry, you guys, I'm finding lesson 4. It says page 23. And we're gonna go all the way through, oh no, that's 5. Lesson 3, no, this is 4, sorry. Lesson 4, page 23 through 25. Okay. I've done some of the signs, showing you some of them already on page 23, but I'll show you again. Okay? I hope you can all see me. I'm doing this from just a little bit different angle, so I think that's good. I got my window behind me, but I bet you can see me. Okay, the first one talks about pronouns, and I know I've talked about those, which is just point, he, she, it, they, them. Okay, when it's plural, you just move it. When it's you or I on your chest, so then we've got we or us right across. Some people kind of bend their hand. It just makes it a little smoother, I guess, but oh, it's the same thing, we or us. Okay, let's go down to the adjectives. Pretty. Okay, raise your eyes, eyebrows. What's pretty? Ooh, that picture is supposed to come from your eye. Picture, but it doesn't have to touch your face. Picture is pretty. It, pretty. It. Sometimes the subject, the main thing, is repeated. Okay, the second one. Warm. It's an O. Okay, I'm not going to do all these because I think I've done them. Go down to boring. Start from the bottom. Or bored. It's the same thing. It's the same word. So how do we know if someone says, I boring, they probably really mean I'm bored. They write it. Fun. Do, to do. Fun, do. Nothing. Bored. Sometimes I've heard people say during this time they are home and they're bored. Watching TV. I don't know, reading, hopefully. Okay, you are studying sign language. That's another thing, that's good to add to your schedule. I volunteer, just grab your shirt. Volunteer quite a bit, so that keeps me busy. Here's busy, see it's just a B. Go back and forth. Okay, like versus don't like. Okay, I'll say something I like. Shopping, going to stores, looking around. I like. Okay, did you see that? Looking around. It's kind of like the sign for strange, but it's search really. Go back and forth. Looking around. AC, air conditioning. Mall, in the mall. Shopping, see that? It's a sign for buy. I'm just doing it up here. I'm just holding my hand kind of slanted. Buying. Okay, how about some names of places? This is store. Or shop, you know, like I talked about, a coffee shop. It's usually just a couple times. Not shop like the verb. Shop or shopping. Then you gotta do this, like buy. Okay? Buy. But shop, a place. Okay, next one is church. Back of your hand. Okay, let's do some of the verbs. Sign, Or you can do sign, right? Kind of every other hand or at the same time even. Just means like you're throwing out the signs, the ASL. Okay, forget. And I was telling Courtney it's the same as better, because we have better coming up, but forget is up here on your head. Learn. Okay. Understand. Okay, look at my eyes. They're nice and bright. If you don't understand, it's kind of, they squint them. Sorry. I don't get it. Don't understand. Okay, practice is a good one. It's just your one finger. See that in your left hand, the one. I'll do it over here. Okay, practice. So this hand is an A. It goes back and forth. Work. Okay, and then there's some sentences for you to practice. How about the last one? Let's do the last one. I like green. You could put the green in the front. That's probably more of your subject. It's my color favorite. Or if you want to do it like English, like the way you think. Okay? Page 25 are the pronouns. We've done that many times. He, she, me and I. Okay, there's some on page 26. A list of places. We'll go to the middle. Here are some new ones. Just here is your open hands. Make little circles. Here. Sorry, I'll take out my bracelet. Here. Okay, and there you just point. You can refer to it there, over there, whatever you want to do. Okay. Some different kinds of school. First of all, the sign for school. Here it is. It's not straight on. Your right hand is a little bit slanted, I guess, a little bit to the side. Okay. Then we talked about elementary. It's an E. You just go back and forth. Elementary school. You could do it a couple times. Elementary school. Elementary school. Okay, there's middle school. This is time for middle. Okay, put it into your hand. Some people use their whole hand. It's the same thing. Middle. And then high school. Has its own sign, HS, for high school. Okay, let's go down the list. Home. Okay, how about college? Okay, you see, it's almost a sign for school. You start with school, but you raise it up a little bit. Can you see my hands okay? College. Now, if you're going to do university, just change that to a U. University. Okay. Bathroom. I'm not sure why that's in here, but that's a place. The bathroom. Just a T. You see that? Just a T. Now, what is Gallaudet? You do know? It's the college in Washington, D.C. that is for deaf kids, deaf adults, teenagers, or whatever, young adults. Okay, so the sign is a G and goes over your eye. Gallaudet. Okay, because Thomas Gallaudet wore glasses, so that's where it comes from. So it's a college for deaf students. Gallaudet. Okay, I see that we're coming up on 10 minutes. Let's just do some vocabulary. Go to page 27. I did a little bit with Courtney, but here we go again. Hungry. And you can't see my stomach, but here, I'll move it down. Hungry. Okay, so you keep that shape, that hand shape, and you're going to go straight down your chest, or down your middle, like your esophagus, down your esophagus. Okay, different. Just pull them out. different. Third one is embarrass. Okay, just 5s, and you make little circles in front of your face. And the last one is strange. Okay, let's stop there. That would be a good place to stop on Wednesday too. But this is page 27 that we got to. 27. So you guys are doing really well. We're going through this. Okay, so anyway, I'll see you Wednesday the 10th. Wednesday the 10th at 6 o'clock. Right? Okay. Bye-bye.